Guys, welcome back to Pound USD Daily Analysis by IFX Academy. Guys, yesterday we were buying this and we hit a bullish target. First one, the second one was low probability, anyways. So, as I mentioned, so the question, guys, I mean, the price has actually gone nowhere, and the problem is this support area is still working. Okay, which is this was once a strong resistance area. As you can see now, it's working as a strong support area, not once, twice, plus twice, but the bullishness is losing momentum. So I could just check out the 15-minute chart, but yep, guys, still no bearish setup yet. So what I'm going to do, guys, it's simple. For today, guys, as long as we are able to stay above 1.33564, same as yesterday, we will be seeing yesterday's target high, which is at 1.34007. Okay, guys, and if we break higher, we will be seeing the targets the same as yesterday, 1.34342. Okay, guys. And if we break below this, we will be seeing one 1.32953. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.